Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome to this week's ALDI Finds for the week of June 24th. Let's beat the heat. We have Furball Edition, Summer Splash, and more reading and less screen time. We're going to start with the adult apparel, shoes, and accessories section. First up, we have the Crane Ladies EVA Comfort Sandal. It comes in beige, black, or lime, $6.99. We also have the Sarah 2-pack bike shorts. It comes in black, gray, or black rib, only $6.99. We have the Sarah bra. It comes in black blue or white brown, $9.99. We have the Sarah denim shorts. They have dark gray, light blue, or mid blue for $9.99. We have the Sarah Ladies Strappy Sandal. It comes in black, brown, or nude, $7.99. I wish they had a picture of the top part of the shoe. I would love to see the black ones because they look like they might be really nice. We also have the Sarah polarized sunglasses. As you can see, are a lot to choose from, different size frames, different colors, and they're only $4.99 each. And the last item in this section is the Sarah polarized sunglasses. They come in men's and it's only black only. Big difference from women's to men's, huh? $4.99. Now we're heading into the arts and entertainment section, and we just have one item here, and it is the summer fiction favorites. There are so many to choose from, better than the movies, Forever, Interrupted, Icebreaker, It Starts With Us, The Last Sunrise, or The Lion Game, only $9.99 each. Now we're heading into the baby, kids, and toys section, and believe it or not, friends, we have one item here. I know, isn't that crazy? It is the Lily and Dan Children's Lightweight Slip-Ons. You can get blue marble, pink glitter, or purple, $4.99. Now we're heading into the garden and patio section. First up, we have the store brand 12 stem rose bouquet. It did not say that there was assorted varieties, but normally there is, so I am guessing that will be this go around as well, $6.99. We have the 5-inch Easy Orchid, $9.99, and sometimes they have assorted varieties of these as well. And the Blooming Flower, it's a 6-inch, $7.99. And again, friends, oftentimes they have a variety of these. And the last item in this section is the Orchid Garden Duo pot. And this is absolutely beautiful. It's a nice wide pot. That blue color is gorgeous, $17.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. First up, we have the Kirkton House book vase. We have Fairy Tale, Little Woman, Poetry Vessel, or Pride and Justice for $9.99. And friends, you're going to see a theme here. It is definitely a book theme. We have the Kirkton House Book Club Candle, Pride and Prejudice, $7.99. We have the Kirkton House 50 by 60-inch book club plush throw. As you can see, we have 6 different ones to choose from, and they're only $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House 20 by 36-inch structured doormat. We have 3 different designs to choose from, $7.99. Now we're heading into the home improvement section. First up, we have the Ambiano 10-inch quiet box fan. It comes in blue or purple, $14.99. And we have the Ambiano adjustable dual-headed fan, blue, purple, or white, $14.99. And it looks like it has a little remote control with it. And we have the Castellux motion sensing LED ceiling light for $9.99. We have the DuPont allergen air filter. It comes in 16 by 20 by 1, 16 by 25 by 1, 20 by 20 by 1, or 20 by 25 by 1 for $6.99. The last item in this section is the Easy Home 600-pound capacity resin shelving, $24.99. Now we're heading into the household essentials section. We just have one item here, and it is the Boulder Heavy Duty Aluminum Foil for $4.29. Now we're heading into the kitchen supplies section. We do have a few items here. First up, we have the Adventure Ridge 40-ounce Sip Your Way bottle. Comes in black, blue, or butter yellow, $9.99. We have the Ambiano can opener. It comes in black only. I'm assuming black only. They only had the black can opener and it said black. But a lot of times they do different colors for a lot of their products in the kitchen section. So I don't want to say black only, but that's all it was showing. And also we have the Ambiano egg cooker, 14.99. We have the Crofton 2-pack dip chiller for 5.99. And we have the Crofton salad chiller for 5.99. We have the Crofton glass bowl set with lid. You can get gray, green, or blue lid, 9.99. We have the Crofton food chopper. It comes in blue or cool gray for 12.99. And we have the Crofton four-way fruit cutting tool, 4.99. We have the Crofton fruit and vegetable hinge slicer, 4.99. And we have the Crofton pineapple slicer. Friends, I purchased this exact one 2 years ago from Aldi. Love it. Works great. 4.99. We have the Crofton watermelon knife, 4.99. And we have the Crofton watermelon slicer. And when I was putting this together, I was thinking, oh my goodness, I have a hard time using the apple slicer. I can't even imagine using the watermelon slicer. But hey, for 4.99, it's worth a shot, right? But we do have the Crofton apple slicer as well, and that's 4.99. And we have the Crofton Citrus Juicer for 4.99. And these are so adorable. It's the Crofton Fruit Timers. They are a 2-pack. You can get apples or strawberry and pineapple for 9.99. We have the Crofton Peelers 3-piece set. I'm curious what this one is here, the yellow. Does that go on your fingers and you just hold it and rub the item against it? Or do you like clip it on something? I'm curious because with my hands with the arthritis, I'm wondering if that goes on your fingers. If it is, that's a great idea. 4.99. We have the Crofton strawberry slicer, 4.99. We have the Crofton two-tier wooden lazy Susan. We have the acacia wood or rubber wood, 14.99. We have the Crofton dessert bowl set. You can get blue gray, cream black, or lilac mint, 12.99. We also have the Crofton salad bowl with utensils. You can get black, blue, or cream, 12.99. I really like those a lot. We have the Crofton 3-pack utensil set for 9.99. And we have the Crofton board. I'm assuming this is a cutting board. It has a cool gray or dark blue edge to them, only 9.99. We have the Joy closure clips. We have the bag clips, fish clips, lemon clips. As you can see, we have a bunch of them, 4.99. We have the Kirkton House 4-pack placemat set. We have five different ones to choose from, and they're only $6.99 each, and they are a 4-pack. We have the Kirkton House table runner. We have 4 beautiful designs to choose from, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Crofton cast iron skinny girl pan. Comes in blue, cream, or yellow for $14.99. Now we're heading into the outdoor living, fitness, and sports section. We do have quite a few items here. First up, we have the Coconut Grove splash pad or sprinkler. You can get chameleon or snake, $12.99. We have the H2O Go lounge with pillow. It comes in blue or pink, $7.99. We have the H2O Go lounger bed. It comes in blue, green, or orange pink, $7.99. And we have the H2O Go sit and float. That's $7.99, and that also comes in blue, green, or orange pink. We have the H2O Go swim ring. You can get multicolor or orange and pink, $7.99. We have the H2O Go. Try saying that several times. It's hard. We have the 42-inch round pool. We have blue wave, coral, or green, $9.99. We have the Crane Playground Ball. We have crabs, ice cream cones, red, sea life, or seashells, $4.99. We also have the Ambiano Misting Fan. It comes in blue, purple, or red for $4.99. And we have the Ambiano Portable Ice Fan. Comes in black, blue, or pink, $14.99. And we have the Crane Backpack Lounger. It only comes in blue stripe and it's $39.99. And the last item in this section is the Crane Backpack Chair. You can choose from cream or green for $39.99. Next up, we have the personal care and beauty section. Our first item is the Lacura Fragrance Mist. You can get jasmine, pistachio, or vanilla for $4.99. Next up, we have the Lacura Facial Spray. We have lavender, orange, and sandalwood or rose water, $4.99. We have the Lacura Overnight Lip Mask. It comes in vanilla, $5.49. And we have the Lacura Tropical Body Cream for $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Aussie shampoo or conditioner. We have the Moist and Hydrant conditioner, the Total Miracle conditioner, or the Moist and Hydrant shampoo, $7.97. Now we're heading into the pet supplies section, and the first item here, just OMG, the Hard to Tell Novelty Pet Bed. I don't think these would work for dogs unless you have a little tiny Yorkie, but for cats, this shark or fish, oh my gosh. Banana, fish, honey pot, or hot dog. The hot dog too. They've got me. 14.99. And next up we have the Heart to Tail wearable pet towel. You can get emerald stripe or raspberry solid, 7.99. We have the Heart to Tail pet pool float, how stinking cute, orange or teal, 12.99. We have the Heart to Tail cooling pet mat. It comes in blue shells or pink trees, 14.99. And we have the Heart to Tail floating dog toy. We have lighthouse, fishtail, seahorse, or starfish, 4.99. We have the Heart to Tail plush sports dog toy. You can get baseball, bat, soccer ball, or trophy, 4.99. We have the Heart to Tail Duo Dog Bones. It comes in bacon and cheese flavor or chicken flavor, $5.99. We have the Heart to Tail Bone Dog Chew. You can get monster or wing, $8.99. We also have the Pure Being Natural Long Lasting Collagen Dog Chews. You can get braided, femur, or twist for $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Heart to Tail Rewarding Dog Treat. You can get chicken flavor, porterhouse beef flavor, or smoked bacon flavor, $4.29. Now we're heading into the school, office, and art supply section. First up, we have the Reading Light Clamp or light with magnifier, $6.99. We have the Live in Style Book Club Tote. We have several different ones to choose from, $4.99. We have the Pembroke Magnetic Bookmark. You can get floral, books, classic, or modern, $2.99. We have the Pembroke Vinyl Stickers, books, book talk, classic, or floral, $2.99. Now we're heading into the travel and automotive section. First up, we have the Live in Style Clear Mini Crossbody Tote. Comes in black, cognac, or white, $5.99. And we have the Live in Style Mini Haul It All Tote. Comes in lavender, off-white, palm tree, or yellow stripes, $14.99. And the last item in this section is the Ride and Go Sunshade. It comes in jumbo or standard. We have beach, mountain, or silver design, $4.99. Now we're heading into the bakery and bread section. First up, we have the specially selected brioche pretzel rolls for $4.59. We have the specially selected hot honey brioche buns, $3.99. Now we're heading into the beverage section. We have two items here. First up, it's the Poppy Punch Pop for $1.89. And the other one is the Alani Nude Purple Cotton Candy, $2.45. Now we're heading into the dairy, deli, and refrigerated section. First up, we have the Danimals Peach Smoothies, only $3.49. We have the Appleton Farms Barbecue Chicken Skewer, $6.49. And the other item in this section is the Cedar Lane Foods Chicken Burrito Bowl, $4.99. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. First up, we have the St. Louis pork spare ribs for $2.49 per pound. We have the honey jalapeno seasoned boneless skinless chicken thighs, $3.79 a pound. And we have the fresh Maui pineapple cedar plank salmon, $10.99. And we have the 7327 ground beef. It comes in 5-pound packages. The original price was $17.45. The current price is $14.95. That is 14% off. So what a bargain. Now we're heading into the frozen food section. First up, we have the Belmont Key Lime Pie for $5.79. And we have the Sunday Shop Tiny Cones, not combs, cones. We have chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla, $3.99. We have the Sunday Shop Lemon and Strawberry Italian Ice for $2.89. And we have the whole and simple pasta bowls. You can get shrimp Alfredo or shrimp scampi for $3.79. We have the Fremont Fish Market toss and serve shrimp. You can get chipotle sea salt, citrus herb, or garlic and butter, $6.99. We have the Soul's Kitchen Minion Chicken Nuggets for $6.99. And we have the Journey to India Chicken Butter or Butter Chicken, $6.49. We have the Purdue Popcorn Chicken for $8.99. And we have the Tyson Sweet Barbecue Crispy Strips for $8.29. We also have the Season's Choice Frozen Pomegranates. I love pomegranates. $5.69. And the last item in this section is California Pizza Kitchen Barbecue Chicken, $7.46. Now we're heading into the pantry section. First up, we have the Stone Mill Stir-In Paste. You can get basil, garlic, or ginger for $1.99. We have the Street Kitchen Asian Stir Fry Kit. You can get butter chicken, Jamaican jerk, or teriyaki chicken, $3.39. We have the specially selected mac and cheese. You can get chili verde or spicy buffalo, $2.99. And we have the Baldak Spicy Ramen. I thought that was mistyped, but it really is spicy, $2.89. We have the Nangshim Shin Black Spicy Ramen for $2.39. Now we're heading into our very last section, which is the snacks section, which is always my favorite. The Journey to Greece gluten-free kettle chips. You can get rosemary and feta or tzatziki for $2.19. We have the Keogh's Irish potato chips. You can get Atlantic sea salt or truffle and Irish butter, $3.99. I wonder what that tastes like. We have the Stacy's pita chips. You can get Parmesan garlic and herb or sea salt for $3.98. And we have the Sun Chips. You can get honey barbecue or original, $3.98 as well. And the last item for today, friends, is the Southern Grove Trail Mix. We have pina colada or pineapple mango margarita for $4.89. Disclaimer, this content is not affiliated with or sponsored by Aldi. This video is a recreation of the Aldi Finds ad for informational and entertainment purposes only. Prices, products, and availability vary by store and region. While I strive for accuracy, errors or changes may occur. Prices and details may vary by location. Information is based on the current Aldi Finds ad. Please refer to the official Aldi Finds ad or your local store for confirmation. So, friends, thanks so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi finds. Bye.